I'm just trying to keep it together. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. If you are a tried and true baddie, welcome back. Make sure you guys are commenting, and subscribing to the video. Today I will be doing a cash stuffing. So that means that I got paid from my business yesterday. So I left in my bill money inside of my account because my bills are auto drafted, except for like 1 or 2. And I pulled out the rest, okay? So today we're going to be cash stuffing it and giving every dollar a place. If that sounds like something that is interesting to you, please stay tuned. How is everybody doing? How is your November? Did you finish out October strong? I know this time of year always makes me reflect back on the goals I had for myself to see, did I reach them all? And I've done pretty well this year. I've done really well financially. I've really taken control of my mental health. I think the only place I've struggled is physically because I'm still fat. So, you know, cheers to that. But we're working on it. We're taking it a day at a time. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this cash stuffing. I know I usually have my iPad out, y'all, but because my layout has changed, let me go ahead and show you. I have it up here on my computer, so I'm just going to be, let me get back together. So I'm just going to be looking up there to see what to put. It just makes it easier so my space isn't so crowded. So here in this wallet, y'all, they've told me that they finished my order, so it should be on its way to me tomorrow. So hopefully they will arrive here in time for Black Friday, maybe even a pre-sale. We'll see. All right, so we're going to go ahead and unstuff. Let me put this here. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and unstuff first. So in our extra, this is just like miscellaneous money for if any fund goes over or under. I still have 25 left. DoorDash, which is, you know, aka our eat out fund. I've actually given myself a challenge to, if I want to eat out, go get it, right? So I'm trying to do no DoorDash November because I be spending too much money with them. So there's $52 left there. For gas, we have the whole 20 left. And groceries, let's see. In groceries we have 27. So, and some change I need to put in my little ATM. So what I'm actually going to do with this money is I'm going to set it to the side. But I haven't pulled out my expense tracker sheet, but I have so I've spent some money here and there, so some of this money technically isn't rollover. I just need to pay my credit card back with it. I think I actually paid cash for that Chinese, so I probably need to take that off of there. But that's neither here nor there. So we'll set this to the side, and then at the end I will show you guys how I'm going to distribute it. I'll set it over there. Alright, so let's go ahead and get these restuffed. In our extra envelope, we are going to be adding $25. And again, this is not one that I have to dig into every week, but you know, in the event that there's something I need while I'm out and about, I just grab from there and it stops me from swiping my card. Our eat out fund, our DoorDash fund, will be receiving 75. And we've actually done really well. I have actually cooked more than I've eaten out this week, so that's nice. Laundry will be receiving $20. I'm really hoping to buy a new washing machine on Black Friday. I'm hoping they have a sale that makes sense for my budget, so that I can get a new washer, so that I can stop having to go to the laundromat. So gas is $20. I may actually have to use that this week as well. I've actually been out and about this week. And groceries will be receiving $50. Okay, well, oops, let me put it in there right. Oh, Dang it. Every time I do this, I break the envelope. Oh, got it. Perfect. Alright, so that's it for our wallet. So we're going to go ahead and close her up, and we will move on to our sinking funds. So we said goodbye to the spooky binder. I actually, if you were the person who commented that you wanted it first, I left that person a comment to reach out to me, so we'll see. So if it doesn't go, then I'll give it to the next person. Up first is our savings, to which we will be adding $110 as per usual. Keep in mind, I always pay myself 10% of whatever I make. It's a really good rule of thumb. Before anything, y'all, before bills, before anything, the only thing I suggest paying first is taxes. So, in here now we have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. Remember, these are fake bills. These are placeholders. These represent money in the bank for this fund. 100, 2, 3, 350, 360, 370, 375, 377, 378, 379. So we have $4,379 in savings. I always get that comment, why are there stickers on the bills? What are the bills for? So if y'all are wondering why I always say that, it's in an effort to hopefully avoid that question. Retirement will be receiving $125. And remember, I am trying to fully fund my IRA, and I'm really close to doing so. So in our retirement account, we have 3,000, 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4,000, 20, 45. So $4,045 towards retirement. And remember, I do stuff real money here, but I also invest the money out of my savings account. So once this next 1,000 will go ahead and get put into the bank to replace the money that I went ahead and sent over to Fidelity, so that I'm not missing any interest throughout the year. Okay, so we're at $4,045, so we are less than $2,000 away now. Debt will be receiving $100. Alrighty, so in here we have 1,000, 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 850, 870, 880. So we have $1,880 towards debt. And remember, we are building up money here to make a nice size payment on our student loan debt at the new year. Okay, big plans actually replaced my new whip fund because I went ahead and bought me a used car cash thanks to that sinking fund. So big plans will be, okay, so I am with someone now, and you know how you feel like you just know. So with that comes, you know, just things that come with being with the person and your person that you want to have kids with and stuff. So this fund is for that. But also, in the event that things don't play out the way that I want them to, big plans can be a new home, a business investment, anything. So I just wanted to name it this so that, you know, whichever way the wind blows, I can still use it for something really important to me. So to this fund, I'm going to be adding $100. So our new total in here is 104. And so yeah, y'all, I am 30 and I do want a son. Would be great. I have all nieces. I have a few nephews, but they're older, way like my age. So, you know, keep hope alive. Send your girl lots of love. So emergency will be receiving $40. Okay. So 100, 200, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 820, 840, 841, 1,841. So yeah, life has like prepared me for motherhood my whole life. Like even outside of like my sister passing away, I've always raised other people's kids. So I really am looking forward to having my own little chicken, you know? So medical will be $25. So 100, 200, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 920, 930, 935. So we're getting really close to 1K here as well. So yeah, if you're a new mama or a first time mama, leave me a comment below and tell me, so was it a planned pregnancy, or was it like, oh well, you know, that happened. I'm always interested to know, because people always say you'll never be ready enough, you just, you know, it happens. So family time is getting 25. But like, I'm very much a businesswoman, so I've never really seen myself as like a stay at home mom, you know. 100, 200, 20, 250, 70, 75, 80. Or like, I don't really want to be like taken care of. I just want a partner, you know. Somebody we can build together with. I don't want to be like a homemaker. No shade to anybody that does, you know. Happiness is different for all of us. So for the rollover money here, I'm going to put everything except for the 1s and 5s, because this rollover money will go towards our credit card bill. We're getting ready to shoot that video because that comes, I need to get it paid before the 8th. So as y'all know, I pay my Navy Federal card in full because I am building credit, and I like to max it out and get it paid down to about 3% before the statement date. And then these 1s and 5s will go in savings challenges, and they will get stuffed in our savings challenge video. Okay. Oh, and this beautiful binder, which I love so much because this pink is like my favorite freaking color. These are available on my site. I think there's still a few in stock by the time this goes up. You know, they go pretty fast, so. Alrighty. Onto our peekaboo envelopes. Up first, we're going to be adding $40 to our miscellaneous fund. Our new total in here is 150, 170, 190, 210, 215. I don't think we talk enough in the budgeting world about like real life things, like being a person who wants a child, or, and you know, some people it may be more difficult for them to conceive, so maybe you need an IVF envelope, you know. Life, you know, real life, besides just a car and a house, you know. Travel is gonna get 25. $1,000, 25, 26, 27. So yeah, because there's so many other things, and especially because a lot of my viewers are younger, so maybe like even kids in marriage is like, girl, no, you know. Maybe you're just saving for your first apartment, or you know, you want a tattoo or whatever. My essentials will be receiving $50. 100, 200, 350, 400. So yeah, I just try to like be transparent about my life and where I am financially, because you know, I feel like that's the only way to really truly help people. Gifts. Oh, I'm actually putting nothing here today, and if you'll notice, I took the dividers out because the girls' birthdays are like around the summertime, so gifts will now, until like February or so, I'm just going to save that for like events that I need to buy gifts for. So Christmas will be receiving $10. So it now has 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 28, 30, 8, 35. So yeah, I try to always keep it real. I'm debating on starting a channel for my small business, like I don't know. Maybe giving advice on how I started a business, how to start a small business, but I just don't know if I have the time. Rico will be receiving $10. So 100, 2, 3, 350, 370, 390, 405. because I know there's a lot of you who just have a ton of questions. And so, I don't know. Or what do y'all think about me like going live on YouTube and we just chit chat about whatever y'all want to talk about? Car insurance will get $25. If so, and you think that's a good idea, leave a comment and also leave a good time or day of the week that like you'd be available so I can go through and see. 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 650, 670, 675. And so we'll try to make that happen. 1 second, y'all. I got a drink. My throat is so dry. Alright, car maintenance is getting nothing. Boobies, which has a 1K slip now, will be receiving $50. So $1,050 in boobies. Alright, and oh yeah, we do have something for bills because it's phone bill time. So we'll add $100 to bills. And month ahead we'll be receiving $25. And again, this is just to hopefully get enough money here to cover me for a month's worth of bills and expenses, just in the event that I need that, okay? 100, 200, 3, 400, 420, 440, 445. Alrighty, so that is it for our peekaboo envelopes, and that is it for today, y'all. Thank you so much for being a part of this community. I'm ever grateful. We're growing at an amazing rate. I was reading through the comments that you guys left on the last video as entries for the giveaway, and some of them like brought me to tears. The whole point of me continuously doing this is to help people. Like, it's not even for the money at this point. Like, I feed off of y'all's positivity. It's a little more time consuming for me now because, you know, my business is a heavy time drinker, but I feel obligated to do this because I feel like when life gives you much, you're supposed to give back, you know. So I love just inspiring and you guys being inspired by my story, and it just, you know, helping you realize that you too can do it, because I'm not special, y'all. This time last year I was probably worse off than 75% of y'all. Like, it was bad. So we're moving on up, onward. You guys jump on the train, get started today so that you can have your success story in a few months, okay? I'm cheering for y'all. I'm rooting for y'all. I'm sending y'all all the love. Y'all have a great rest of the week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning